What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Anthony back again with another video. Today we're going to be doing a video on how to apply beard oil. So all the beginners out there, just starting to grow a beard. I know when I started, I didn't know how to apply it and I had to Google how to apply beard oil. It's easy, guys. It's a very simple procedure, and it's going to be a very short video. I just want to show you guys how to properly apply beard oil. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching my channel, guys. Anthony back again from Beard Talk. I appreciate it. I'm going to be doing collaborations in the future with other YouTubers, with other people in the industry, but I'm going to be doing some videos on how to apply beard oil, what types of oils are good for your beard, the different carrier oils, and today's video is how to apply the beard oil. Now, there's a lot of different techniques out there. Everyone tells you use a different amount of beard oil. It really depends on how long your beard is. Like my beard right now is very, it's short because I, work and stuff, but I haven't been working. Well, I'm not working at this today, but I do work. But I just want to show you guys how to apply this stuff. All right, I'm going to be using a regular beard oil. I'm not going to plug any names. So this video is just how to apply it. And it's a very simple procedure, right? You're going to get your beard oil, okay? Now my beard, I could use 3 drops. So 1, 2, 3, we'll go 4. 4, right? Then you're going to put it down. You're gonna rub your hands together, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna start from the bottom and you're gonna go up. Okay? And then once you go up, you're gonna go down. Alright? And that's it. That's all you're gonna do. Then with the rest, you're gonna massage it in your face. Okay? Like that. And then the rest you could put on your arms, you could put anywhere. But it's a very simple thing, and that's all you gotta do, guys, to apply beard oil. And the same procedure goes for how to apply beard balm. But usually, you're gonna wanna apply the oil before you apply the balm, because everyone also has a different, opinion on don't apply balm if you don't have beard oil on. It's gonna rip out your beard hairs. It's not, it all depends on the balm. If you're using a very heavy, medium hold to a heavy hold balm, it might take out some hairs. So to be safe, put the beard oil on, wait 5 minutes, and so your hair and your skin gets moist, and then apply the balm after that. And then if you want to put beard wax on, do that after the balm. Now the best time in the day to apply the beard oil is after you get out of the shower, when your pores are nice and open and your skin is nice and soft. Okay? Because your face and your skin will absorb all that oil, and it will just make your face feel so good. You're gonna feel refreshed. And a very good scent to apply after a shower is a peppermint scent. That's what I like to use. I like to use peppermint scents, especially in the morning, because peppermint, I feel like it wakes me up. It's like, when you have that cup of coffee, just wakes you up. Well, the peppermint scent wakes me up. So after you get out of the shower, apply that beard oil. Nice, make your skin feel good. It makes your face feel good. And you just feel good all day. So guys, this is how to apply the beard oil. I hope this was helpful to all you beginners out there, just starting out trying to grow a beard. I'm going to be doing more beginner videos for you guys along with the reviews. Will be collaborations coming in the future, but I just want to do some of these videos because I know there's a lot of beginners out there that Google all this stuff. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I know, this channel is growing at a nice pace right now, and I'm very happy. It's a little over a month old. It's like 37 days, something like that, and 200 subscribers. That's amazing. I am so happy that, I'm actually helping people, and I'm so enthusiastic about doing these videos because I know I'm touching somebody out there with these videos. Thank you guys. I love all you guys. I really do. So, find me on Twitter. I'm on New York Beardman. I'm going to put the information below in the description of the video. You could find me on Instagram. I'm at Beard Talk with Anthony _. So it's going to be Beard _ Talk _ and then so on with Anthony _. Also, I'm on Facebook at Anthony I84. Okay, that's really a personal account, and I use it for beard grooming and my reviews, but I that's like both. And I'm on Reddit at Beard Talk with Anthony. So find me on there, guys. Please, anything you want to ask me, comment below. Anything. There's no such thing as a dumb question. Remember that. No such thing. Alright? And until next time, guys, stay bearded. Watch my videos if you get bored. Like my videos. Subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. Peace.